Let's make mportoporto. Hello, it's a great honor to have you on the channel today. If today is the first time here, we do easy recipes, so please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. And with this recipe, oh my goodness, you will love it. It was very easy to put together but very palatable. Thank you so much for your time. Let's start. I have with me here my cocoyam. You can use cocoyam, plantains, you can use your yam or cassava. Okay, yes, using the plantains is very common in Nigeria. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go ahead and then peel off the skin before we continue. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers, for clicking on this video. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful for your time here. Thank you so much. Should you want to wash the cocoyam before peeling the skin, you can go ahead and do so. But this is how I want it. Okay, yes. Now, after we are done peeling everything, this is what we have. Now, I am just going to cut it into smaller chunks and then we can continue. So please watch the screen and then you will understand. Okay, share this video to others so that we can reach wider audience, please, and leave me your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the recipe and also how you prepare yours. I will be very happy to learn from you as well. Now, after cutting everything, this is what we have. I'm just going to wash it very well. So I washed it before cutting into smaller chunks, but we are going to wash it again. Okay, after that I had some water on fire. I'm just going to add my cocoyam to it and then allow this to boil very well. Then I will show you the next step. I hope you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much. Now, this is how it looks after some few minutes, like 2 minutes. This is how it looks. Okay, so like I said earlier, I'm just going to leave it on fire, and then when it is ready for us to go to the next level, I'll show you. I'll go ahead and then add my tomatoes. That is fresh tomatoes. I have not seen anyone using tomato paste to prepare mportoporto or dablu or jogbo before. Okay, yes, it is always about fresh ingredients. I added some pepper and I just want to add my salted tilapia. Trust me, I don't like fish in my dablu or mportoporto, but today I decided to add it. Yes, now I'll go ahead and then cover this very well and then allow it to boil. When it is ready, I will show you. So about some few minutes, like 5 to 7 minutes, this is how it looks. You can see the ingredients are doing very well in the pot. Yes, now the tomatoes and the pepper are ready to be grinded. I'm not going to waste my time and then grind it in my grinder because I am very hungry. I won't get that time. Okay, so I will just grind it or mash it in the cooking pot just like that. I am very hungry. Yes, so we are not going to mash all the cocoyam. Okay, we will mash half and then leave other portion to be chunky, yes, or to be lumpy in it. Yes, that is what I meant. Now I have my oil on fire. We are using jomi. Okay, it is a type of palm oil we have in Ghana, but it is well seasoned. Okay, and it is so good. So I have my palm oil on fire. I have added my chopped onions to fry it very well. I will be adding that to our mportoporto or W. Should you want to add it to it directly, you can go ahead and do so, if only you trust your palm oil or jomi. So if you see me adding it, that is what I did before adding it to the W. I will give it a stir, add any seasoning of your choice, whether salt or anything that will add taste to it. But if you are doing it this way, you make sure you taste it before you add anything salt to it, because remember, we used salted tilapia and this one is very salty. Now I went ahead to add the palm oil we spoke about earlier to the mportoporto or the W. I will give it a stir and then wait for a while. Let me know in the comment section, do you like your mportoporto a bit loose or thicker? Let me know it. Okay, now I want it thicker, so I am just going to leave it on fire till it becomes very thick or a bit thick. Okay, so after some few minutes, this is how it looks, and trust me, it tastes so good, very delicious. But I just want to wait for a while so that it can become a bit thicker. And after waiting for some few minutes, oh, just look at that. Absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness, it was so nice. Thank you so much for watching me till this point. I don't take it for granted, so I will just go ahead and then serve you some. Oh yes, you have seen Kena, but you couldn't step there. That is just by the way. Let me serve you some. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. If you want the video in Chi, please watch me on Recipe Goddess on YouTube and you will love it. So I come your way next time. Please do good and remember to eat healthy, take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and I will see you in the next upload. I love you. Bye bye.